Hey, what's up, guys? All right, it's 7:45 at night, 29 degrees outside. I went to the car wash, and my side marker light blew out, strangely. So, stopped by Walmart and got what I needed. So if your side marker's out, I'll show you how to quickly change that on your S-Class Mercedes. So scrolling through all this stuff right here, I found them. They have the 194, which fits in there correctly, but they don't have them in clear. They have them in the amber, which it's okay too. So I just went in and grabbed those at a good price. You see, that's not coming out very easily. Oh, maybe go from this side and pull it out that way. So I did lightly crack that. Yes, I did. Okay, so it's a learning process. So you're supposed to pull it out from this side right here. And as you can see, you have where your bulb is at and where the plastic piece goes in. So I'm trying to record and hold this up. So let me see if you can go ahead and take it out. Just put it out right there at the rubber piece. Oh, that's pretty cool. This one has like a silver tip to it, which is very interesting to see. All right, so the actual ones you're supposed to get is the 194. NA, I think, stands for like the amber color, but Walmart didn't have them. As you saw when I went through the selection there, those are all gone. So I'm just going to put in the standard orange ones. Maybe that's why it blew out, kind of thing. All right, let's see if we can pull it out some kind of way. Sorry about that. Trying to adjust the camera, wants to flip over and all that kind of stuff. All right, so let's go ahead and take the, can you guys see that? All right, take the bulb out. Okay. And if you guys can see, it just kind of slips in. Looks like they put some kind of white powder on there. But whatever. All right. It's pretty simple. Like, really surprised. So just pop that bulb in right there. And then just do it the opposite direction. Hopefully you guys can see this very well. Sorry. It's good to have a camera person sometimes. All right, and then you see where it has the grooves right here, the groove 1, groove 2. Then you can just slide it in just like that. All right, and then before I pop it back in, can you guys see it's like boom, boom, and pop back in. So that's all you pretty much have to do. So you don't have to really do anything on this side, which I broke that slightly. And then actually it's right here. And I guess that's why they have a little bit of a lip right there. So do a quick check. Looks pretty good. Actually brighter than the one that was in it before. So pretty much all done right there. So thanks for joining me.